Don't hit that subscribe button. Think ahead. We do release a video or a short almost every day. Hey, what's happening, Think Aheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go and give us a big thumbs up. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Too easy. It's too
So
easy.
today we got the updates and recaps. We'll start off with the updates. Hey, where you at, my brother? I noticed your background looks different. You ain't got that Steeler Nation background. What's up with that?
Hey, you would think I would be ready for the NFL and have that up. Hey, but man, bro, I'm at our mother-in-law's. You know, our niece is getting married Saturday. So I'm up here. I just came back from Miami. So I've been working on my tan and everything.
Oh,
I've been working on that. And I just got in to Virginia an hour ago and I look
oh wow.
forward, yes, sir. And I look forward to seeing you, my brother, here in a few days. And you know,
Yes,
but
sir.
that's why Steeler Nation is not back there. Cause I'm at hey, right. I'm at our mother-in-law. So hey, forgive me, sneakerheads. Hey, forgive me. Hey, I'm working with what I'm working with. Cause hey, one thing with us, we always go be on point. Like he mentioned, we upload a video every day, right? And for the most part, you always go get your recap and your weekly heat,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So drop us a comment below and let us know what y'all thinking. But what we got happening?
Okay. So as we know, this Friday, September 9th is Nike Sneakers Day. And so there was a lot of hype behind this release, but news is coming out that everybody's going to be disappointed. Like, don't expect no collaborations. Right now, we only got 2 verified shoes that are coming out. Like I told y'all before, the Jordan 4 Red Cements, and we're already scheduled to release on that day. We're going to get those. And then they're saying these red and white Syracuse Dunks that are coming out that already been released in the past. So y'all know anything other than those 2 that have been confirmed? Hey, drop us a comment and let us know, sneakerheads.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, go ahead. Yeah.
So now we're moving on to the recaps. What you got, my brother?
Hey, so we know those Air Jordan 2s, which was a women pair, that soft pink, it did get pushed back. Hey, if you want to know more info on that, hey, check out that video right there. But those shoes did get pushed back.
Yes, sir. So next we had set release was the Jordan 1 Palominos. This was that mocha looking shoe. If you didn't get the mochas, I know a lot of people are going for these. The resale wasn't that high. You still get them fairly cheap for around $200 most sizes, but they did sell out in the men's pair. Grade School was still sitting. I'm not sure if the Grade School is still sitting now, but most of the places they did sell out in men's. And I did go for my brother's size 12. I took an L on that. I didn't really go for any other raffles except for the sneakers ad because this wasn't a highly resellable shoe. So
Hmm.
I just decided to stay away. But hopefully, if you want to copy for personal, hopefully you did. Let us know in the comments, stick ahead. Were you able to copy your size? And are you rocking these?
Yes, sir.
So next, set to release on September 12th was supposed to be those J Balvin. Those did
Mm.
get pushed back as well. The new release date is the 23rd of September. Keep in mind this does have that high price point of $250. And like I said, I will be going for these myself. So let us know if you're trying to rock these or drop these in the comments.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.